Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best laser levels for framing. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, having the right tools is crucial to achieving precise and accurate results in your framing projects. Among the essential tools, a laser level stands out as an indispensable companion, simplifying the task of aligning and leveling various components during construction. In this guide, we will explore and review some of the top-rated laser levels specifically tailored for framing applications. 5. Hupar 3D Green Beam Self. The Hupar 3D Green Beam Self-Leveling Laser Level is a highly rated and well-regarded tool for framing and alignment tasks. It offers 360 degrees horizontal and 360 degrees vertical planes, providing comprehensive coverage for floors, walls, and ceilings. The laser level comes equipped with built-in 4 battery indicators, allowing users to monitor the current battery volume conveniently. With excellent build quality and design, this laser level is easy to use and features fine-tuning knobs for adjusting and locking the height within a range of 3.54 inches. Its overall performance and value for money are rated highly by customers. 4. Self-Leveling Red Beam Laser. The article recommends various laser levels suitable for different needs. For standard residential tasks like cabinetry mounting or tile work, a cross-line laser will suffice, while 360-degree lasers are ideal for larger projects covering entire rooms. When choosing a laser level, consider factors like laser color, with green lasers being more visible outdoors and red lasers offering cost-saving benefits. For durability, an IP54 rating or above is suitable for dusty work areas, along with protective features like rubber corners and hard-sided storage cases. 3. Bosch GL3330CG 200 feet 360. The Bosch GL3330CG laser level is a high-end, feature-rich tool designed for precise leveling in renovation, repair, or building projects. It offers 3 planes of 360-degree lasers, self-leveling design, Bluetooth connectivity, and flexible battery sources. Its 360-degree beam projection allows for simultaneous leveling on all 4 walls in 3 different planes, providing accurate reference lines on various surfaces. The green laser beam is more visible outdoors and maintains 3/32 inch accuracy at 30 feet. The laser level constantly monitors itself for calibration and triggers an alert if any issues arise. 2. Laser Level, Hupar 50 feet. The Hupar 50 feet cross-line laser with dual modules is a highly rated laser level with positive feedback from users. It has a BVR rating of 9.0, based on 49 reviews. The laser level is praised for its accuracy, build quality, compatibility, customer support, design, ease of use, overall performance, and value for money. The product is available on Amazon Prime with a $4 discount. It offers 2 modules for cross-line projection, and its shock-proof enclosure ensures durability. The laser level provides accurate results with a range of 15 meters and precise vertical line accuracy. 1. Bosch GPL130G 125 feet green. The Bosch GPL130G 125 feet green laser is a powerful and accurate self-leveling laser designed for plumb, align, and level applications in the construction industry. Its green beam technology provides up to 4x brighter performance than standard red beams, ensuring maximum visibility on job sites. The laser boasts impressive accuracy, with plus or minus 1/8 inch accuracy at 30 feet for up/down plumb, align, and level measurements. The Visi Max technology keeps the beam bright in various job site conditions, and the full rubber overmold housing enhances the laser's durability. In conclusion, when it comes to framing projects, having the right laser level can make a significant difference in achieving precise and accurate results. Among the top choices available, the Hupar 3D Green Beam Self-Leveling Laser Level stands out as one of the best options for framing applications. Its 360 degrees horizontal and 360 degrees vertical planes provide extensive coverage, allowing users to align and level surfaces on floors, walls, and ceilings with ease. The fine-tuning knobs enable precise height adjustments and secure locking, ensuring a stable and reliable setup.